ay DepEd Secretary, kaya actually intertwined din, no? Tumatagos yung role niya as VP.
I am not the secretary. DepEd pala ito, no? O sige, tanong mo si DepEd yan.
Ni-invoke national security, pag-target din sa mga suspected na mga grupo.
Pero para po sa DepEd, Madam Chair, because you allowed him to speak about DepEd, which is not related. Representative Raul Manuel with the NPA units in Southern Mindanao and his alleged connections with the CPP-NPA coupled with the recruitment activities involving Kabataan Party List. Rendell, who was missing for 11 months and
Point of order, Madam Chair. So,
home in a coffin.
yung sinasabi po ng ating Vice President, galing yan sa chismis. Hindi natin
Galing po ito
pwede,
sa
Madam
NPA
Chair, ang Office of the Vice President,